Hey everybody, so finishing up the final touches on preparing for the big snowstorm tomorrow. Figured I'd show everybody the best way to secure a tarp, at least to a wooden structure if you can. This is just a furring strip, a 1x3 furring strip. Got screws in it. I've got that tarp mounted to the top of the lean-to right there. I roll it up for the whole summer and just leave it up there with a couple of those little round bungees with the ball on the end. In winter time, I go ahead and unhook it, let it roll down. Then you use these furring strips with just a couple screws. I got 3 in each of these. I put 2 furring strips on each post. Stays put all winter long, no rips. This is my 3rd winter now with this same tarp. Make sure you get the UV protected or UV resistant tarps, and they will last a very long time. But by doing this, you know, you're keeping it from flapping in the wind on one point, like a tie down. Like if you use the grommets in the tarp, they're gonna rip out every time, all right? So by doing this, clamps the whole thing down, it don't go nowhere. It is definitely handier to have 2 people doing this, but it's doable. Or I do the 2 bottom ends first. Yeah, it's handy to have somebody kind of give it a tug like that if you can. If not, I just step on it. Yep, like that. There we go. We'll get one down. Now that's in place. I can pull it by hand. Stretch it out. Yep, like that. There we go. Now I'll get the rest of it tightened down. The tighter the tarp, the better. Like that. Yep. Now we'll do the far side. Just like that. This will hold up all winter, no problem. Worst storms we've had here in northern Michigan. That gives me good covered lean-to space. The far side of the lean-to, I put up, what's it called? Durascrim. D-U-R-A-S-K-R-I-M. Durascrim. It's actually a greenhouse plastic that is UV resistant and fiber reinforced. That's been up there for 2 full years straight, just winter, summer, straight, consecutive. And the only blemishes in it so far is where it was rubbing against something on the other side of it. So that stuff's fantastic. But over here, I usually pull the sleds in, the snowmobiles, and keep them in there. All right.